Hey everyone, I'm here to unbox a new thing I received from Lazada. I bought a Logitech Brio. It's a 4K web camera. I used it to up the ante of my live streams because currently to broadcast for our group, for our feast, I use just the webcam of the Mac Air of my wife's Mac. And it's not bad actually. It's a FaceTime HD camera. But here I'm gonna try to unbox, or because we upgraded and we want to get even better our best. So we're trying a Brio 4K webcam. I got this from Lazada. It cost 8,000 pesos plus. It's a 3 or 4 year old brand or a model. I was wondering why it came in a brown box compared to what you see on the internet. But they said it's actually the same. It's just the retail packaging that's different. So it's a 4K webcam. Although we use normally StreamYard to broadcast and all you handle 720p. This is a 4K webcam. Hopefully it will still be better as it broadcasts and sees more. So here we go. Let's try it out. The Logitech Brio. There you go. Logitech Brio. It says here to download camera settings. Software for this product, please visit logitechbrio.com or logitech.com/support/brio. So here it is. The camera in all its glory. So Logitech. So it's quite compact. It's the size of Thor. As reference. Nice. It's nice and not heavy, it's hefty. It's dense, well built. And what else is in the box? We have Alright. So here we have a long USB Type-C cord to USB Type-A. It's quite thick, thicker than the other gadgets I have using USB Type-C. So very good. How long is this? We will determine later, but it is quite large or quite thick. We have this is a, what do you call this? You use as a cover if you don't want to have, if you have this installed, for example, on your laptop or into your computer always. It's a cover shield if in case you don't want, for security reasons, to always have it on. And we have obviously the guides, warranty cards and stuff, instruction guides, instruction manual, and a carrying case. Let's see what the carrying case looks like. Although I won't be needing this because this is something I won't be bringing out. But nice to have this. Logitech branding. And it's just a drawstring pouch with 2 compartments inside. No structure at all. Alright, so let's see. So this is the Logitech Brio. I don't know if you want to hear it. I know you can just open this or pull this out, but I won't gamble with that by tearing it out until I learn more about how to do it well and safely. There you go. Here you go. So this is the Brio. So you can mount this on your computer, on your laptop like this. Sits well like that. I know you can remove this. I'll try it probably off cam. You can remove this so that because there is a tripod mount, screw mount inside, so you can put it to any tripod. Okay, so this is to add more angles to position it well. This is rubber. This is plastic. This is, I think, hard plastic. Here we have more to remove. So it is the 4K webcam that I've been studying about. There you go. So Logitech Brio. We're going to try this out in a while. Now this is a test using my Mac Air's webcam. This is actually how I normally record using this webcam with the same lights. We're going to test this using the Brio after this. But how is it? Is it good enough? Actually, for quite some time, it was good enough for live streaming for the broadcasts we do. But now with the Brio, will there be a lot of change? Will it be crisper? So we're going to test out the 4K capabilities of the Logitech Brio. Next, this is a test using the Logitech Brio, using its 4K settings. So is it a lot cleaner and clearer than my Mac's webcam? You be the judge. Is it cleaner? Is it clearer? So is the lights better? Did I broadcast even better? And is everything crisper compared to a while ago? After this, we're going to test how it is. Testing it seeing it in StreamYard. Again, StreamYard is a popular now live streaming platform, and we use it regularly in our church to broadcast. Unfortunately, even if I have a 4K camera, StreamYard only accepts 720p because they prioritize stability. So next, I will test using the Mac Air's webcam using StreamYard at 720p. Now this is a test using my Mac Air on StreamYard. So it's at 720p still, but I'm just using the Mac Air. Again, you could see only a few parts of the screen are included compared to using the Brio that goes the wider angle. It's actually 78 degrees versus this regular webcam. So is it okay? This is how we normally stream 720p in our church, but will using the Brio make the live stream even better? So next from this, we're going to see the same scene using the Brio. And finally, this is a test using the Brio in StreamYard. So this is downgraded. I actually set the settings at 720p to accommodate the 720p of StreamYard. So is this a lot better than just using the Mac Air's webcam? You check it out. Is it better? Truth be told, I actually reshot this scene because the first shot I did it at 4K settings and I just allowed StreamYard to downgrade it to 720 on its own. But now I'm using 720 on its own. So let's see if it's a lot clearer. You be the judge. Is this a lot better? And so thank you very much for watching my unboxing and first initial test of the Logitech Brio 4K webcam. Please do like this video, subscribe, and please watch our travel vlogs. We've got a lot of travel vlogs, and we want to grow this page. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Wabout!